Hey everyone, Theme Park DNA. The video you're about to watch is one of our Saber giveaway videos, and all you have to do is to subscribe, make your subscription public, like and comment on all the videos that have the title Lightsaber Giveaway at the end, and you could win this lightsaber. So make sure to like and comment on this video. Good luck. Hey everyone, another video from Theme Park DNA. Today I'm going to be unboxing my first order from the pack store. So I am really excited. Now, the hard part about the pack store is finding something in stock because there's sabers that are so popular. But if they have one in stock, if you're lucky enough to find one in stock, great customer service, fast shipping. You're going to pay for it though, about $30 in shipping from Hong Kong. But I gotta say, it got here in 10 days. I was really pleasantly surprised about how quickly it got here. So props to the pack store for your shipping. I've heard some great things about their customer service, and so far I've been very pleased, and I haven't even opened it yet. So I ordered a Boars the Dragon Slayer. Very popular saber because it's so accessible. It's very affordable. I got a NeoPixel, so this is going to be my first saber from the pack store. It's also my first NeoPixel blade. Here's the blade itself. I got it in 32 inches. Yeah, that didn't look right. Correction from earlier, this is going to be a 36-inch blade. A little bit of change. Now it's 32. 36-inch blade. Going to have a parabolic tip. Alright, let's look at the boring stuff first. Instructions. Blade retention screws, there's 2 of them. We're going to need that. So this is going to be the NeoPixel blade like we talked about, and it's going to be installed with the Asteria 2.5 soundboard. Man, first pixel blade, I cannot be bothered to read instructions right now. So, as I said just a minute ago, I got this in the gunmetal finish. Looks really good, a little more silver to it than I thought, but it definitely is not bright. I like it. It's a good width. It's going to be more narrow than your standard Ultrasabers. So let's go ahead and talk about numbers before I turn this thing on, because I have a feeling once I turn it on, I'm going to be like a kid in a candy store and all coherent thought is going to be out the window. So, right at 11 inches, maybe about 11 inches and a 1/16. Man, tell you what. The most narrow part here, about 1.25 inches. Here at the most narrow, widest part of the hilt grip section, right at 1.5 inches. And the widest part of this saber is going to be the emitter. And it's going to be hard to get a measurement on that because of its shape. But it looks like it's going to be right at 2 inches. The emitter on this saber does not come off. Looks like the pommel is the only thing that comes out. I'm not fooling with that right now. I'm way too excited. It doesn't sound like it, but I am. We've got a very simple O-ring here at the bottom. Not very sturdy. Almost for looks Oh yeah, you can see that there's a split right there, and that is not, I would not support the weight of that on there. Looks alright though. Alright, so nice pommel section. Emitter looks great. As I said before, it's non-removable, but it looks fantastic. You've got 6 kind of wings coming off. Protrusions, if you would. Alright, so instructions are important. After taking a look at it, I think I've gotten a slightly better handle on it. So from standby, we're going to give this a short press. We get the scrolling red blade, and in order to go to the next bank and turn it off, hold the auxiliary button, back on. So now we have this red fire effect. Appears to have a yellow blaster block. Flash on clash. Bright white. That scrolling off effect with the fire is awesome. Alright, so this is pulsing. It's just a really quick pulse. Wow, that is impressive. That's another fire effect. But it's alternating between red and yellow and white as it kind of flickers up the blade. That looks awesome. Well, we've got some of the blaster blocks include like random guys yelling. Looks like a like white blaster block, white flash on clash. Wow, that's hard to get over. That's awesome. Got another real similar fire effect. This one doesn't appear to have much white in it. Looks like it's just yellow, orange, and red. And then you see the lack of any color. White flash on clash again. It's kind of like a purplish white blaster block. Well, here we've got a pulsing rainbow blade where it's just kind of pulsing from bottom to top, just scrolling colors of the rainbow: blue, violet, fuchsia, green, yellow, orange, red. Oh, I've just accidentally muted it. Alright, well on this one the blade is the entire blade is one color, and it's pulsing from one color of the rainbow to the next, from white to purple and pink, yellow, green, like a mint, Arctic blue, more of a darker blue, back to white. Got a green. Oh, this is a fire effect with pulsing rainbow colors. I'll tell you, it's going to be hard to go back to normal lightsaber blades.
Switch.
Well, I am really impressed for the price point. This is going to be hard to beat. That's going to do it for the Ultimate Works Boars, the Dragon Slayer unboxing. I will give it a thorough review, and if you like this video, let us know. If you haven't subscribed, we appreciate it if you did. Hit that notification bell so that you're sure to get all of our future content. That's going to do it for tonight. Thanks so much for watching.